I don't think it's going to warm up today, is it? What do you reckon?
Well, it's taking the time, isn't it?
No, it is 2 weeks.
Look, do you want to take a frozen cowpet home with you? Or? No?
Yeah,
Where?
near a farm.
Yeah.
Yes, it's alright. There's no more in there, is there? We've got to go.
Oh, you. Yeah.
You know, if we could find it where we are, you could always park somewhere else.
Springfield.
Yeah, and then, well, we can park towards Springfield. Oh, look.
What, by Riddle or something? What's that?
It's a glow stick. Hasn't been snapped.
What's that doing? What's it doing?
It's a glow stick,
Oh, I see.
but it's been snapped. I used to open it up and pour it in my hair, and then